Okay, so we've got another Peugeot Bipper. This one is got a clutch fault, and what it's doing is it's not slipping, but it's not engaging gear. So you put the clutch all the way down and it won't physically go into gear. So what we're going to do now is strip it down and see what's going on. Okay, so that is the top half done. So all I've done is I took the pipe off going to the inlet manifold just so I could get better access. Took the battery out, took the battery cut tray off. This bracket here then sits over the clutch slave cylinder. So I took that bracket off, took the clutch slave cylinder off, which is now here. Took the cables off, the gear cables. I've just tucked them out the way up there, and then up on top there's two bolts going into the bellows in, so I took them two bolts out as well. Now we get it jacked up, get the drive shafts off, and then we'll go underneath and finish it off, and then the box should be coming out. Okay, so just finished up on this side. So what I've done, took the wheel off, took the 36mm bolt nut off the drive shaft, took the hub off the bottom of the strut, and then popped the drive shaft out. Now I just axle stand this side up, and then I get onto the other side. Okay, so little update. Took this drive shaft out this side. I've just bunged them up with a bit of tissue for now. Let's go back. And took the earth off, took the reverse sensor off, took the bellows and bolt off there, slacking that one. So it's ready to come out. Now this was a pain in the ass, this bolt here. So this one here, I had to knock the exhaust back a bit just so the bolt would just clear the flexi, and as you can see it's literally no room there whatsoever, but it's out, so that's the main thing. Doesn't look like the start motor needs to come off, which is good. Took the bolt off the stud there. I'm gonna guess that's gonna all come out. And now for the rear mount, there's a bracket that goes there to here. Took that bracket off purely because got the one bolt out there, but that bolt, it feels like it's going to snap. So I haven't gone any looser. So I just took it out so it's nice and free there. So that should be enough room now to get it out. But yeah, other than that, I support the engine now. Take the gearbox mount off. From the top, I take two bolts out the top, and then you've got a ring of bolts here. Then I get it out the way then, and then that'll give me plenty of room to get the box out. So let's get cracking. Box is ready to come out now. Obviously I'm doing this on my own, so wish me luck. It's held on by one bolt. Let's see if we can do this. absolutely covered in clutch dust. Safe to say that the clutch is definitely gone. See little bits break up in there. Mate, whoever drives this van must absolutely thrash it. See what the condition is up in there. Yeah, bits everywhere again. Look. Right, let's get that clutch down then. Oh, what an animal. Get a state on that. Some good go in that. Right, so add a little clean up in here. Now let's change the thrust bearing. One thrust bearing off. That was probably noisy. Make sure they're the same. Yeah, exactly the same. And what I like to do is just clean up the shaft in there. Let's put a bit of grease on it. Just helps it slide back and forth a lot easier. Yeah, so that's better. And then that's one side. Check we got the right clutch. Right. Always make sure that your friction plate actually fits the splines as well, which it does. Happy days. So yeah, right, we are ready to put the clutch back in now. Another thing to note is you should use a clutch alignment tool, but I've done enough now to just do it by eye. So, by saying that, we'll see how easy this box goes in now. Spoke too soon really, didn't I? Let's go. Oosh. That is heavy. Right, This is getting very heavy now. Oh, straight in there. Ah. Oh shit. Woo! And breathe. She's in. Right, gearbox is back in now, so it's basically just rebuild it all back up in the reverse order. So, get some gloves on and get cracking. Right, moment of truth, have we got a clutch? Oh, yeah. 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 Yep. Yeah. Beautiful. Happy days. Another one done.